All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about Milwaukee's new line of locking flex head ratchets. Now, if you didn't watch my pipeline coverage, you probably don't know about these, but Milwaukee has come out with locking flex head ratchets. They're very similar to the Matco design as far as the switch for the locking part of it being right here. It's very positive. Using the 1/2 inch because it's the best for camera. Now, one of the things that has been pointed out in other people's videos about the pipeline event is, well, the size of the heads. And honestly, I didn't pay that much attention to it. I thought there was much more, cool stuff going on, so I didn't really notice it that much. But as you can see on the 1/2 inch, it's got a pretty good sized head. Now I'm comparing a straight-headed Milwaukee 1/2 inch drive to a flex head locking, and they've significantly beefed up the actual head. I'm sure for strength concerns. Now this is the Milwaukee 1/2 inch straight, and I have reefed on this pretty hard. Not with a cheater bar, I have a Matco long big boy. So one thing to note, on all of their locking flex head ratchets, the head is larger. This is 3/8 to 3/8. Sorry, chrome reflects. But as you can see, this is 3/8, and it is significantly bigger. So that might be a big concern for you. Now, thickness-wise, they are the same. I don't honestly think that'll be too big of a deal other than in certain circumstances, but it might be a concern. But I would guess it's strictly for, structural strength of the actual head itself. Now, I haven't used these extensively as of yet. I just got them, but we're going to talk about some of the things that I like and things I don't like. The 1/2 inch drive handles are the same as the non-flex head, which feels pretty good in the hand for even my large chunky hands. Now, one of the drawbacks for me is the 3/8 and especially the 1/4 inch. I'm not a big fan of not having comfort grips or whatever trademarked, they call their grip that's not a standard metal one. For me personally, the stock steel ones are just too small. That's why all my Matco ratchets are the, rubber gripped ones, because they don't feel so tiny in my hands, It feels like I'm holding nothing. I mean, that's for me is one of the biggest drawbacks of Milwaukee ratchets, not the actual ratcheting mechanism itself. I've used this 1/2 inch drive extensively. This is my go-to ratchet for turning over engines, doing timing belts. Whenever I'm wrenching over an engine with a socket, this is my go-to. The ratchet mechanism works well. No complaints about that. Obviously, I think it's 90 tooth. Don't quote me on that. And definitely don't quote me on that, because even on their cards that come with the ratchets, it doesn't tell you how many teeth it has. It only gives you a 4-degree arc, which is one of the things that's really nice about, high teeth count. A little ASMR for you. Might be taking one of these apart and seeing if there's a different design. Possibly, I don't know, but ratcheting mechanism definitely actually sounds a little different. But overall, they're good ratchets. I've been using, like I said, that 1/2 inch drive extensively for a long time since I got it, and it has not given me any problems. It's a ratchet. I haven't broken it. I haven't put a cheater bar or anything like that. I've got bigger ratchets. Now, of course, like all of Milwaukee's hand tools, they are 100% lifetime warranty. You go to the website, you put in a claim, they send you out a new one. Simple as that. Don't take them back to Home Depot. Home Depot is not a warranty center. Okay? Two big drawbacks are definitely the size of the head. The locking mechanism, I think, is very good, well designed. It's a copy of the Matco system. The switch itself is very smooth, not clunky, not hard. Show it's off. They're not floppy, which is something I can't stand about a flex head ratchet, is when it goes, you know, floppy, floppy, floppy. I'm doing that pretty hard and it's not moving. So overall, really good ratchets. Just whether or not you like the handle, the grip, and are okay with the size of the head. Don't say it. Don't say it in the comments. Now, obviously be coming back with a long-term review of these, see how they do. As I said, I've used this ratchet extensively and have had zero problems out of it. Like I said, the only grip I really like out of the Milwaukee's is the 1/2 inch, because it's not too small for me. And I know I'm griping about the handle, but that was the main reason I didn't like the Mac ratchet either, is the handle's too small. Big hands, little grip. A lot of people are really happy with the, you know, solid handle over a rubber grip that might deteriorate. So if you don't care, might be a good option for you. Check them out. I will put a link to Milwaukee's site for them in the description. It's not an affiliate link. It just goes to Milwaukee's website. Click free. Don't worry. It's not an affiliate link. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.